Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are hooking up a classy crochet granny square designs ideas. Get ready to create a timeless and cozy accessories with our granny square ideas. In this video, we will be making a beautiful themed and color crochet granny square designs ideas using yarn and different techniques. Learn how to crochet this stunning granny square designs ideas to add a touch of handmade charm to your home decor. First up, let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add some multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add the pattern and texture. Let's add the round circle. We'll be using a combination of stitches, double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches and different techniques. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture to create unique granny square easily. Add embellishments like tassels, beads, birds, stones, flower, applique work and many other accessories you use and decor your granny square easily. And that's it, your beautiful and lovely look crochet granny square is complete, ready to use. You make a very beautiful granny square and attach with each other and make a very beautiful granny square. Many other accessories like crochet work, granny square blanket, cushions, covers, bed sheets, blanket and many other ideas. If you want to see more ideas, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. You visit my YouTube channel and watch full DIY tutorial and watch full ideas video like crochet work, granny square top, granny square bag and ladies crochet work top, crop top, cardigans, ladies bag, tote bag and many other ideas. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas till end. And thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe for more crochet ideas, tutorial and videos. DIY tutorial if you want to see, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. Please be sure you have finished crochet granny square with me on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work, granny squares, home decoration ideas, different accessories and different ideas. Happy hooking. We will be seeing you in the next video. If you want to see more ideas, so please tell me in comment section. Okay guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.